Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So today's finally the day. I have my guy coming over in a little bit. We're going to be doing the disc brake conversion on the 60 Hearse here. Huge commitment. It's going to be a four-wheel disc brake car, so it's going to stop like a new car, which is very important when you're dealing with a car this heavy, and it's going to be a daily driver for me, so I'm super excited about that. But anyway, yesterday we bought all the parts and it was about $3,700. So definitely a huge commitment, and that's just for parts. That's not including labor for my guy to come over and do it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for joining the video today. Hopefully this will help somebody along the way. Usually they have kits for these, so it's pretty self-explanatory. But that being said, this is also the first Cadillac I've done disc brake conversion. I've owned Cadillacs where previous owners have converted them to disc, and it's awesome to drive one of them because they literally stop like a new car. But that being said, this is the first one that I have actually personally done. So I will be filming the whole process start to finish. This has been going on for a couple weeks now. We've been trying to get this scheduled, but it just hasn't worked out yet until this weekend. So we're going to be starting it today and probably finishing up next weekend. Probably do the fronts this weekend, backs next weekend. The rears are going to be a little bit difficult. We need a puller to get the rear drums off to do it properly because it's a Hearse. They're different. So I'm going to figure out all that process and things like that. But I've got all new brake lines bent up and put in place. My dad did that. So yeah, that's going to be the process for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. So while we're waiting for Gary to get here, we're just going to kind of tinker with a few other things, taking stuff apart, cleaning it up. Obviously, as you guys can tell, this is the blower motor out of our heater core component and all that stuff. I can tag that video in the end of this one if you guys missed that video. So we took the quote squirrel cage off. We're gonna get that cleaned up by way of our walnut blaster over there. So that'll be nice. I'm gonna test the motor out here pretty soon, make sure that all works, and if it doesn't, we'll have to deal with that. But here's all of our components here, and like I said, I'm gonna leave them original paint. I initially said in the beginning of this video that I kind of thought I was gonna paint them, but I'm going for that survivor look with this car. So really, I just like them the way they are.
All the brake parts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did they have a nice tip? They did. Oh, there's some hoses right there. Oh, those are for the front. Yeah, they're just for the front.
That shocks me. Usually you have tons of that stuff on hand.
Was it? Down and then from there, release it and bring all the way down. You do something too.
Well, it's not like you said, we could take off the casting up from the top, put the bottom, and then back it up. Maybe it'll meet up with the bump and again.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Because right now what's holding is this. You see how stretched it?
Yeah.
So this is not weight on the engine, but it's holding the tension so hard. But if you walk down there, the threads are messed up.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see them here.
Probably. Because the car will come down now, so we might be able to lower that other side a little bit too, so it sits on the block.
You want that?
That's all the tension on it.
No, I think that's more. It has to go all the way straight there. That's what I was thinking. Oh, yeah, okay, I don't know. Bring it down. So you have more safety on it. It's gonna sit here. Oh, almost touching on it. There it is. It's on it. Okay, you're gonna need a jack. Once you push the coil, I'm gonna bring it up with my hand and you put, yeah, okay. Oh, baby, hold on. Sorry, I can't release it, yeah, it's gonna. It shouldn't move. Hope so. So 2 turns.
And Sarah gets nervous again. I don't like that.
Okay.
Let me see how
It's a longer bolt for that side.
They already said that the 48 will be much easier.
throw it back. Okay.
Oh yeah, we want.
Your reputation, Sarah.
I know, right?
This one's not threaded. So you got a shorter one.
Which one?
Pressing it out.
No. We were talking about that earlier?
Are they big ones or little ones? Oh, for the axle nut?
Yeah, put a, yeah.
I don't know.
Let's
that
spin.
one,
Let's spin
May.
it.
So the back one you guys go another inch and a half.
Alright. Oh, it's more on that side.
Yeah.
shifting.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
We're going up. Almost there. I'm not doing something right here.
Okay, so it's not.
Go down here.
Go down?
Yeah. Down a little bit.
Oh, okay. Hold
Yes.
Do you want to push down on the frame?
on. No, we got the chain on it.
Okay.
Oh, I went too fast. Up.
No?
Oh, is it under? Oh, you good?
That's good.
Okay. What we do, we have to change it on the
Yeah.
yeah. So earlier we had everything off balance.
Yeah.
It wasn't working out at all.
We needed to chain the car down to the concrete.
Uh-huh.
So we'll move on this. This is pretty good. Looking like nice. Give me the rotor. The water.
Those cotter pins end up jumping all over.
All over, huh?
No?
What is it, bolts on it? Yeah.
Yeah, that's it right there.
Okay, so this is the second option, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're good then. Yeah, we're good. Perfectly. Bring the car from bring the L wrenches up. Now it's coming along. It looks like a car now. You remember you got the wheels gonna go out here. You don't want to leave it right here and just boom, rub it. Right. So I think
Mine is pretty clear. To put it in the front.
it won't allow you to go in front.
Oh.
It has a little.
Yeah, how about?
Yes, that's how you guys want it.
I mean,
We're done with that. Now I'm gonna need the ratchet with the socket is gonna be a 7/16. I mean 3/8. Sorry, 3/8.
but since you can't find a 59, everybody uses the 60s.
Oh.
Oh, you can find them, but you'll pay for it. Let's hope.
So which way
Yeah.
is loose? Which way is loosest for you, Tony?
Up. I'm going up.
So do that one quick, so we see.
Oh,
which way
okay.
it is.
Let's see where I'm going.
So yeah, you're
So
gonna.
if I go up, you have to hold
there you
it.
go,
Yeah.
Then you're gonna be hold down. Now hold down.
Yeah, hold. Here we go.
Tight enough? Tight enough.
Yeah, get a good grip on it, because once I'm gonna hit it too. I'm gonna hammer it right now.
So push down on yours, Gary.
Yeah.
There you go.
There we go. What's going on?
Oh, now it's spinning on this
Now
side.
it's spinning on this side.
Oh, jeez. Oh, cause you hold it in the middle, huh?
Yeah. Doesn't get the drum off though.
No, it doesn't. Seen it on eBay.
P118.
And another thing we weren't expecting today too, we got our coil springs cut. We were gonna lower it by one coil in the front, so you guys can see that over there, the old coils that got cut. So that was one thing today that got done that we actually weren't expecting, but it was easy just to do it right then and there when they were putting the plates on to hold the new rotors and things like that. It was easy just to do it right then. And so that went really smoothly. And so now it'll be a little bit lower in the front end, and then we're gonna use lowering blocks in the rear of the car. So we got one job done that was unexpected. That's always a good thing. All right, everybody, I know this is gonna make kind of a long video, but we are done today with the fronts. Had to special order some parts since it's a Hearse. It's gonna be a hydro booster on there instead of just a regular booster. So I mean, this car is gonna really stop very well, but because it's such a big, heavy Hearse, it has to be a little bit more upgraded from like a regular coupe or sedan. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If nobody knows how to do this, hopefully today maybe helped you guys. It's just a bolt-on kit. Now the back is going to be a little bit different. We have to get a puller to get the drums off correctly, because again, a Hearse, it's a different breed. But we're going to take care of that, and they'll be back out next weekend to finish up, and then we'll have 4-wheel disc brakes. I'm so excited. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a very blessed day. Take care. I also wanted to add this into the video really quick. I'm going to be selling all of the original brake drum setup, which for a Hearse, they are very hard to find because everything is bigger and more heavy duty. So I'm going to have all 4 wheels available. If you guys are interested, you can leave it in the comments, or my phone number is on a lot of the videos, but 4-wheel drum for a 1960 Hearse. I'm going to be selling all that stuff, all the components. They are hardly used. I mean, Hearses have very low miles. The mileage on this car is original, so the shoes and everything still look really good, and the spring kits, it's all there. So let me know if you guys are interested.